Say hi. Guys, please report this guy to the police. He has been abusing me since day one. We started seeing each other. Hey. Mr. Poogie. But you know what does it mean? Mr. Poogie. What about Mr. Guapito? You know what does it mean?
It's done.
No, you're not done yet. Just stay with me. Say this sign.
Don't care.
Do it.
Go away.